very special guest who will inspire us with her incredible story. Imagine someone who's like a superhero, but in real life. That's our guest speaker. She's someone who shows us that no dream is too big and no challenges is too tough. Let me tell you about her. She was born on September 6, 1999 in Binyan City, Laguna. She's just like one of us, but she has done some really amazing things. In 2011, she graduated in her primary education here in St. Vincent College of Tugigao as one of the top performing students in her. She was the vice president of the student body organization during her last year in this institution. She was very active in her extracurricular activities and in joining student organizations that nurture skills and talents of her co-students. At a young age, she was already a leader type of student and she was able to carry it on during her high school, where she graduated as the class salutatorian. While thriving in her studies, she became the president of the theater club and she was also awarded as the best COCC of the year in 2014. In 2020, she graduated college with bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering in Alder College, where she became part of the student council in 2018. As the mechanical engineering representative and a board director in PSME Council in 2019. She is now working in Accenture as a digital success manager while managing two of her own business, a garment business and a skincare, healthcare, and wellness distribution business. She is also a part of an organization who conducts outreach programs for malnourished kids and also for lawless living in the home for the aged. So dear students, as we celebrate our own achievement today, let's remember our guest story. Let's remember that no dream is too big and no goal is too far. With hard work, determination, and a sprinkle of imagination, we can do anything. Yes, she is not just a hero in her own story, but in ours too. So let's welcome her with all our energy and excitement. Let's give her a mega awesome round of applause to our guest speaker, Ms. Rosette